Get rid of it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how safe
What
do you
was
feel
this?
when-
That is your discard.
Name a food that looks
No,
like clouds.
where did that 3
Is
come
she out?
from? No.
Name something
She can put
that
the 3 on
starts with
yours.
the word hey.
Oh,
that's right.
Name something that people wear in Hawaii.
So what is it? A
All right,
face
let me
card
take it.
count?
What did they say on the paper?
Don't forget to put medium grams.
Oh, I don't have any.
Did you go out?
Yes.
Specific part
Did
of
you
the
go down?
body whose appearance
Yes,
changes
yeah.
the least
Go
with
down.
age. You
20,
said
25.
the knees. Yeah,
25.
I was looking at him the other day. I said, boy.
Graham said
it
25.
was
I
just
have
like
5.
they did when I was 10.
20.
Who don't?
Somebody said,
Throw it in my head.
alright, that's the only one.
Start
You need help, Brooke?
Hey,
said-
do you feel
don't
when
think that was
you're
just
on
a
an
deal with
airplane?
you
You
now.
said, survey said, okay.
She did.
Food that looks like clouds. You said,
It was the last one to go down. And that only
I know.
because you put all those
When you laid those queens, I was like, sweet, I get rid of this queen, it's worth 10 points. Right?
you
Well,
said,
Graham had a queen to get rid of too.
You were telling us not to go out, but then you went out and you were
I know you can't believe her.
you said,
Brooke, you can't believe
Alay,
Still, what?
survey
I know.
said,
Brooke and Graham haven't had much success in cards
it.
today.
Yeah, we beat it twice.
We did beat him twice in pitch.
We beat him the last time.
bring out Tom.
95, 40. I have 40.
Run a 9.
I'm at 40.
Oh,
Last-
I have 460 points, so honestly, we should just end it here.
Last
So
hand.
40, see,
Last hand.
if I could have just went out and I would have been up by 100.
Oh my god, you have 500.
Am I going to end up last?
Grandpa, right now you're not last.
It's grandma's
down.
deal.
How do you only have 195?
And I could have gone out this time.
Why
I
didn't
didn't know how
you?
many.
You have
Run
to. You
of
have to.
9.
That's
Your
not
remaining
really all
needs to
that
go
many.
home.
No, it is not.
You
that
can't.
bad.
You have to
cards
yourself.
there.
I could have
How
gone.
many
I know
people are
you
gonna come
do,
down?
that's what you need to.
COVID.
I know.
Grandma needed the help.
So are they wearing?
I felt bad. I had 5 wild.
Just one.
Well, there's
Makes you,
there's 2.
Yeah, there's 2.
makes you secure.
Because there was one for each of them, and Brooke took them.
Both?
Yes, and Allison had Bear Rabbit, which are 2 different animals, but one was given to each of them, and Allison took both of those. These were given by Grandma Smith.
Yeah, I got these by Grandma Smith.
She got them at Cracker Barrel, and Allison
Oh my God,
was
I
from
hope-
Jackie Robbins as a baby shower gift.
Sugar video I posted.
But we had an extra Bear Rabbit
Oh, I have one of those too.
that we gave to Abby and Emily, and Allison threw one in each of the cribs, and now they sleep with a bear and a rabbit, but they have different names. Abby and Emily don't name theirs Bear Rabbit, they're Teddy and something else. I don't know.
the video.
But
What was
we have perpetuated that they sleep with a bear and a rabbit.
Because they were worshiping. That's why they were
Wait,
not.
I'm going to recently delete it.
They were all all
God, I
these
took
were
a really cute
washable.
picture of them together, and I can't find it.
But I can't believe we
Oh, here we go.
Allison
Isn't that
got
the cutest
Abby
thing
and
ever?
Emily. Have a-
Look at it.
She just remembers
Where's the
that.
bigger one?
Like, you can't make a kid. They pick
Oh,
what they
I'm
pick.
sorry.
You
It's so,
don't
it's so
know.
obvious.
It's so man.
Oh, with the baby.
Do you have the little one too?
You got both
Yes.
of those?
Yeah, that was in my
Is this the
bed.
big one or the little one?
This is the big one. I mean, they got a little one that's.
You think this is the little one? I want to see the big one.
Is that which one?
That's the big one. The littler one is.
They're on Amazon
Let's
if
see
you
the
like
picture
find
here.
one.
Do you want another one?
Yeah, but it wouldn't be as long.
Let's see the picture.
What are they called?
What?
Emma wants to know what they're called.
Oh, I had a picture of it. I don't know. It takes me forever to find them.
Does he have a tag on him anymore?
Yeah. Oh my god, they're really expensive though. They're like $80.
What are
Please.
those? Are $80?
They are now because they're out. They're old.
Oh.
They're not making them anymore.
That's so fake.
So to get one,
Not.
How do we get one for the girls?
your mom got them at Cracker Barrel.
No, I mean for the twins.
We
Or do we
have
not?
an
Oh,
extra
we
set.
had those, and those are awesome.
How much
Oh,
has
okay.
Yeah.
Why is that one so pink?
The blue one is 50.
Because it hasn't been used for
Because they don't make them anymore. It's a tie.
That used to be
10 or
pink.
12
Well, I'm sure
It is
they were at the
pink.
time, yes.
That's not pink.
I didn't
That's like-
realize it was
that's
a
like-
tie.
That's
So
gray.
when they don't make them anymore, then they go up in value.
used
It's
to
like a
be pink.
beanie.
AJ, if you use a stuffed animal for 16 years, it's obviously gonna fade.
I didn't think it
I
faded.
cannot believe they're that expensive.
I didn't think it faded to gray.
$60 and it looks disgusting. It looks too.
It does look
Too
different.
new.
because-
It looks too fancy, and I'm not here for it. They need to make them more worn to make them vintage. Too used. Ew.
Gotta have set.
You need new, bro. That's
It's like a blanket.
They're not
Security.
saying they.
Oh wait, what's that mine? I got like.
And Allison had a bear and a
Fine.
rabbit.
Oh, look at the little
rabbit?
one.
No.
No, that's little. That's just a little bear.
The Bear Rabbit's
Look,
a
they
different
have
brand.
ears.
I don't know what those are. They're like stars.
And Allison's are. I don't like the feel of Allison's, but look, see, you can put these out like that. I used
Now
to
you're
fly.
just hanging them by the ears.
I used to fly around like that.
I wouldn't keep
But
doing
mom
that.
told me not to because the ears would fall off.
You know,
So then I stopped.
And then I'm just gonna say it right now because he's old.
But if you're looking to buy me a Christmas present, that's perfect. I would totally take that.
Why?
Do you want to understand?
Yeah.
I don't know why you'd want to do it either.
What did you sleep with every night as a kid?
Me?
Yeah, I never slept with anything as
That's
a kid.
so weird. Weird.
Really?
I still do. I'm taking it.
Yeah.
I'm taking it weird.
I got Benji a
I
cow.
don't think I did either.
Does he sleep with every
He's
night?
got quite a few stuffed animals. No, you don't put stuffed animals with little baby.
Oh, why?
Suffocate.
You don't want them to suffocate. Yeah, they can't move over. They can't breathe.
Well, why don't we worry about that with people? I have so many birthdays on my bed.
It's cold out, huh? So chilly. Yeah.
I don't want 90s this week.
No.
That doesn't affect me.
Can do without that.
So?
What the freak? AJ, you don't realize. You never got here. What? Why?
The amount of times you died.
Oh, rotate. Which way? What the freak? I don't know how to get off that.
Go slow.
I don't know. Why? This is hard. You never got here, AJ. You wouldn't understand.
Slow. Stay. But now you have to go back and do it again.
What game is it called?
What was it?
Crash Course.
Crash Course.
Did I beat Allison? No. What? How did she do that?
You got 1728. Fuck, I'm gonna beat it.
17.
I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna read it right now. I'm telling you.
I did better than you any of those times.
Here we go. Sit up.
AJ, once you get far, you don't know what to do. Like, you don't know where to go or what.
I got this.
Whatever.
This stall is not hard at all. You like tuck. I do it on my right shoulder. That's just my preference. I probably will not be able to do it today because I am very, very sunburnt on my shoulder. So I turn around here and I just push up. And I just hold myself here.
Thought it might be a clear day out here today. Now they're starting to put locks on here. Be cool if we saw a plane land. Yep.
Well, this one's from 1971. Or not from, but it's got the date. 1971.
Maybe when they were married.
Maybe.
It's just starting to spit now. But what a show. What a show. There's a good one. There we go. Wind's picking up. I don't feel the little droplets anymore. I can't see them in the light either. Let's go. What is it? That's as wide as it'll go. There was a good one over there. Hope it got in the frame. Right over that tree. Or behind it, I suppose. Some really good lightning. There we go. Now we're talking. Yes. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Hope that shows up on video. That was really good. I'm gonna stop and take some pictures now. Whew, I was just out here taking pictures. And it is coming down now. Can I change? Hold on. Calm down a little bit. It was pouring. It still kind of is. Yeah, it lightened up. For a second I thought it was hailing. It was just big raindrops.